Hey YouTube, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time here, I'm Jason Jordan. What we do here is we find ways to make money online, and then we pass those on to you so that you can also do the same. If you have not subscribed yet, I'd sure appreciate it if you do so, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of the videos that are coming up. We're going to continue today on the turn $5 a day into $4,000 a month with Clickbank right here. It's going to be this series right here. And the link to join MLGS and also the link to the Google Doc that I have set up in there with these emails already ready to go for you is right underneath these videos. As a matter of fact, let me just show you kind of where those are. Had a few questions, so let's see. So if you come in here, so right below, this is the link for MLGS for 100 leads per day. And if you come down here, here's the Google Doc for the email swipes that I have shared. What you'll do, you go into that doc and just make you a copy and save for yourself, and you'll have all these emails in a convenient place, and you can just go in there and pull them from there instead of having to log in and go through Clickbank to the actual site every time. There's 20 emails in this series, and we're going to send all 20 in sequence for the first 20 days, and then we're going to move on to the next offer. So moving on, we're going to go ahead and jump into Clickbank. And we're going to go right here, and we're just going to check some stats right quick, because this is day number 8 that we're sending out today. So in 7 days, let's just go see what we've done for leads in the last 7 days and hops. And we'll just go all the way back. Whoops, affiliate. Okay, so there we go. So honestly, we're a little over 100 visits to our site per day, which is good. We're at 25 initial impressions, so that's 25 people have actually gone to the order form for this offer that we're sending out. So these are going to continue to grow. They should continue to grow daily. And as you grow your lead base, as you stack those leads, then obviously this should jump up to not only over 100 a day, but 200 a day, 300 a day, and so on and so forth as you go. Because as I said before, using this system with MLGS, you're just going to continue getting 100 or 200 leads per day dumped in there that you're mailing to. So this is going to stack up really fast. If you've got one account and you're getting 100 leads per day, that's 3,000 leads in a month's time. So this is really going to blow up once you start getting those leads put in there. Now, if you go in there and you open more than one account and you do, like I showed in the first video, daisy chain those, then you're going to have 200 leads per day on some of those accounts. And then so that's 6,000 leads per 30 days that you're getting. And that's just phenomenal. It's a phenomenal amount of traffic to be marketing to every single day. And then these numbers are just going to grow substantially. You'll see these numbers come way up, and then you're going to start to see conversions in here. Okay. It does take time to warm this traffic a little bit, but once it gets good and warm and you're always bringing in fresh buyers, you're going to start making sales on this. And this is how we're trying to build to that $4,000 per month, at least, hopefully more, right? And then a lot of these offers that we're going to work with have recurring payments that your customer is going to pay. So they may be subscription based, and a lot of them have upsells too. So, if they buy an upsell, then you get paid on that. Every time they pay their bill, since it's recurring, then you're going to get paid on that as well. So it's really a neat little program. And to run it like this is just really quick. It takes no time at all once you're all set up. So let's go ahead and jump right into my lead gen secret. And we're still on that first offer, which I show in the first video. I show which offer it is. And like I said, the emails are prepped and ready to go. You'll just have to add your links where it's indicated rather than my links. Okay. All right, so let's jump in here. And I haven't sent these off yet, so we're just going to go ahead and send them off today, so I can show you again just how fast this is and which email we're going to send off, which is going to be email number 8 today for us. Now, if you just started, that's fine. You'd be on email number 1 and 2 and 3 and so forth. It's not a big deal. Like I said, they are prepped and ready to go. So yesterday on the video, I was going to show statistics. So let's just do that today. So if you come up here on your MLGS, and like I said, you don't need this, you don't need these. You don't really need any of this other stuff up here, okay? You're going to use mailing system, you're going to use statistics, and then your affiliate link is always right here. So you can just go and pull it real quick. Now statistics, you can look at these and you can see kind of how you're doing, all right? So we can see when we were sending out that first email of 300, because I signed up and I waited a day before I started this series. It shows you right here how many you sent, all right? Shows you how many people opened. Shows your open rate. It shows you your clicks to your offer. So this should line right up with your Clickbank statistics. This is just showing your hops per day. All right. Now we're working off of 5 accounts when we're doing this. We're not going to check the statistics on all 5 accounts. Today, we're just going to look at this one, and then we're going to move on to emailing. So let's jump right into emailing. So we'll go to mailing system. Okay. Again, you're going to leave this alone. This is where you want it. You don't ever need this. It's not information that you need for running any kind of your business. This I just leave. It says it comes from me at My Lead Gen Secret. And we're going to move right into the subject. Now I've got the email pulled up over here on another screen. So I'm just going to copy and paste like always right there. And I'm going to come down and I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and copy from my Google Doc and highlight and Control V, and we'll get that pasted in there. Now, like I said before, I like to go through and I like to unbold everything except for my link. So I like to go back and bold my link. But you're just going to go in here and you're going to put your name. And then you want to make sure you change this piece of short code up here. This is not the short code for this system. So we're going to use the short code for this system, which is this right here. Copy. And control V to paste. And these have already been proofread through Google Docs. So we should be good. And actually this one has a pre-header. Normally I don't use the pre-headers, but I think what we're going to do for this one is we'll go ahead and just use this pre-header. And we're just going to put it right here. And we're going to leave that bold. All right. So it says hiring worldwide. Hi, first name. So, whatever their name is, it's going to say hi, Billy Bob. You get that personalization that way. All right. And then I've got my links over here saved on a notepad. So I'm just going to copy my hop link that we created inside Clickbank. And I'm just going to go here and I'm going to change this out to there. The same thing you will do is just change that link out to your link. All right, so there we go. Highlight, click the little link icon, backspace, Control V, and then you're going to hit OK. So now this email is essentially ready to go. So nice and quick. We've got our subject line. We're going to hit perfect timing. So what perfect timing does is it measures the timing of when the people you're sending this to, it measures what time they're most likely to open their emails based on past experience. And then it sends it out closer to that time so that they see that and they open that up. So we can have better open rates. Okay, so you always want to click that. It's only going to help you, right? It's not going to hurt you. All right, so we're going to make one more quick check. This is all right. We got our leads selected. See, good thing we made that quick check. We didn't select the leads. So today we're going out to 1,700 people on this account. Got our subject line. And we've got everything ready to go in our email. We've changed our code, our short code, and we're ready. So what I like to do is I will go ahead and copy my email. I'm going to send. And now that that's gone, we're going to come right up here and we're going to duplicate this page. So once we duplicate, now we're going to go and log out. We're going to log into our next account right here. So number 2. Now from here forward, it gets pretty quick. So mailing system, select all. We're going to come down. We've already got our email right there, ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and click perfect timing. This all saved across, so we're good there. Come up here and pull our subject. Right there. Now we know now on our next email, we need to do the subject line first, and we can just pull our email. All right, so we're done. Send. So really this takes, I mean, once you get that first one done, you can get this done in about 10 minutes. So it's really pretty quick. So we'll sign out. We're going to sign into our next account. I'm going to do the same thing. Mailing system. Select all. Now we can go ahead and paste our subjects. That's the last thing we saved or we copied. We'll grab our email back over here. All right. Perfect timing. One last check. Good. There we go. Gone. And there we go. Okay, so now we're just going to go to our next, and the last thing we copied was our email body. So we know that, so we're just going to go back to our next account, which is number 4. Mailing system, select all. Paste your email. Perfect timing. And then we're going to go grab our subject line. Now we know on the last one, all we need to do is grab our subject line, is start with our subject line. All right, so there we go. That one's sent. And then we're just going to, again, log out. We're going to get into that very last account for this series. And see, there we go. Now we're getting our bonus leads for this account. Copy your email. Go back over here, highlight, Control V. Okay, one quick check, we're good. Perfect timing. I thought we did select. So luckily it does tell you if you forget to select your leads. I must have missed that button. So there we go. Now they're going out, and that is our last email for this series for today. So now we can go work on another business, or we can go do whatever you want, right? If you want to go hang out with the kids, hang out with the family, or if you have a job to go to after you do these, or whatever you need to do. You can see that didn't take long at all to get this done. And we've got close to, let's see how many we've got out. There's 1,000. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 4,700 emails out in a matter of probably 10 minutes. So you can see the importance. So the importance of getting that sale on your MLGS, so you can get this to 200 leads. So now we're getting bonus leads. So now we're going to double those every day, right? Going from 100 to 200 every day. This is just going to grow more substantially now. We still got a couple more accounts that we're going to do that with. But it's simple. This is simple copy paste. The Google Doc is below this video where I showed you in the beginning. It's right down there. These emails are ready to go. So if you want to try this out, give it a shot. If you got any value out of this video, I'd appreciate a like. And as always, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you get notified of all these new videos coming out. We're going to work on this series, and we may start another series at the same time. But I'm going to try and run this at least every other day, if not every single day. We're going to keep putting these videos out for you guys so that you can start to see when we start making money. And then you can too. So, all right, guys, thanks for being here. I appreciate it. I appreciate you watching. And I will see you on the next one. Later.